In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link downloadable files in Shopify. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control area for your store, where you manage products, pages, content, settings, and uploaded files. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, go to Content, and then select Files. The Files area is where Shopify stores uploaded assets that you may want to use across your store. This can include images, documents, PDFs, downloadable guides, size charts, instruction sheets, or other files that customers may need to access. For this tutorial, the important thing is that the file needs to be uploaded into Shopify first, because Shopify will generate a link for it after the upload is complete. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page. You should see a files library, or an area where existing uploaded files are listed. If your store already has files uploaded, they may appear in a table or list view. If it is a newer store, this area may look fairly empty. Either way, you are in the right place as long as you are under Content, then Files. Now look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled Upload Files. Click that button to begin adding your downloadable file to Shopify. After you click it, your computer's file browser will open. From here, find the file you want to upload. Select the file from your computer and confirm the selection so Shopify can begin uploading it. At this point, Shopify will process the file and add it to your files library. The upload time can vary depending on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection. A small document may upload almost instantly, while a larger file may take a little longer. Wait until the upload is fully finished before moving on, because the file needs to appear in the list before you can copy its link. Once the file has been uploaded successfully, look for it in the files list. You may see the file name, file type, and other details displayed in the row. This is a good moment to confirm that the correct file was uploaded. Checking the name helps prevent accidentally copying the link for the wrong file, especially if your store has many files saved in this section. Next, find the link icon next to the file. In Shopify, this may also be shown as Copy Link. Click that icon. When you do this, Shopify copies the file's URL directly to your clipboard. The URL is the web address that points to the uploaded file. This is the link you can use when you want customers or visitors to access the downloadable file. After clicking the link icon, you may see a small confirmation message letting you know the link has been copied. If you do not see a message, that is usually fine, as long as you click the correct copy link icon beside the file. The copied URL is now ready to be pasted wherever you need to use the downloadable file link in your Shopify store. And that is the basic process. You log into your Shopify admin, go to Content, and then Files, upload the file from your computer, and then copy the file URL using the link icon beside the uploaded file. That covers everything you need to know.